Hi everyone, it's me, Eden. I'm gonna show you how to do a mail merge in Word. It's super simple and you actually have a really great way to do the mail merge, and that's by using the mail merge wizard. You can find that on the top tab under mailings. So we're gonna go to mailings, we're going to go to start mail merge, and then we're going to do a step-by-step mail merge wizard. But before we do that, you want to make sure that you have the data ready that you're actually going to use to pre-fill this form. So this is a sample form I created, and I have my sample data ready to do the mail merge. And so when you think of mail merge, you might think that you're only capable of sending out a letter with an address block, but you're actually not limited to just an address block. You can merge anything you want. So here's my data, and one thing you want to remember before starting the mail merge is that your data needs to be saved as a .csv file. And so if I go to my file tab and save as, you would just save the type as CSV. And so now I'm going to return to Word. And let's begin. So first step in the mail merge is to select the document type. So you can actually select the type of document you're merging. So this is just a letter. I'm going to select letter. If it were email, you could do the merge through email. If it were an envelope, you could do that. You just have to make sure you have the envelope size, and same for the labels. Okay, so I'm going to go to next, starting document. We're going to use the current document. And then I'm going to select the recipients. And this is where the CSV file comes into. So as you can see, you're going to say use an existing list. And then this is where you're actually going to open your data source right here. So I'm going to go to browse. And the data I had for this form in particular was named sample data. Okay, and so if you look over here, you'll see that the name, the date of birth, allergies, age, it all merged correctly. So I'm going to say OK. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin writing my letter. Okay, so to begin merging the document, now that we have the data we need, there's two different places we can start inserting the data, and that's over here using the wizard. So you go to more items, and then you would say, well, this is name, right? So then we're going to insert the name, easy. And then we're going to go to allergies, back to more items, allergies, insert, okay. Date of birth. Now here's the second way I'm going to show you how to insert a merge field. Is you come over here under mailings tab, there's insert merge field, and now we're going to insert the date of birth. We're going to insert the age, and this is actually my preferred method right here, is to use the insert merge field that's under the mailings tab, because it's a lot easier and quicker. Height, weight, blood pressure, pulse. If you didn't notice already, you can see that I do this a lot. Problems, medications 1, and just remember that each row in your data source is going to be another form that's pre-filled. Okay, and so I'm just going to stop there because it's pretty simple. And so another cool thing I'm going to show you is that you can actually insert the date so that it updates every time you merge the form or you open the form, and so the date will automatically update instead of having to merge the date. There's just really no point in doing that, because you can easily go to the insert tab, date and time, okay, and there's a bunch of different formats you can choose from. I'm just going to select this format, and then I'm going to tell it to update automatically, and you can also set it as your default if you'd like to. And so now that I have all my merge fields set up on this form, the next step to do is to go to next, preview your letters. Over here, that's step 4 of step 6. And then we're going to go to next, complete the merge. And I usually go to edit individual letters so I can see all the letters at once. So let's do that. We're going to say all, and you can also choose just the first one, or you can choose a range. So I'm going to say I want to view all. And then as you can see, everything merged correctly. We have a form for John Doe. Here are his allergies, his height, his weight, blood pressure, pulse, problems, medications, that all merge properly. I actually have my my word set up so I see the merge fields instead of the just the text, and so I'm going to toggle this, and as you can see, the date. And then if we're going to go to the second form, so this was the second row on in my data source, and it was for Jane Doe. As you can see, her name looks great. Her allergies are there, her height's there, her weight is here, blood pressure, pulse, and her problems address. So it's super simple. All you have to do, if you don't feel comfortable doing it on your own, then just use a mail merge wizard. And if you have any questions, then just comment below. I'll be happy to help you. And if you want to see any more videos, more tutorial videos, just comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications, because I'm actually going to be posting a lot more tutorials videos, and especially for things that you need to know if you work in the office. You know, something like this, a mail merge, is something everyone who works in the office should know how to do. And if they knew how simple it was, then I think everyone would know. Okay, so thanks so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, good night.